Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm talking you through how to do this Taylor Swift inspired makeup look. So if you want to find out how to get this look, just keep watching. First up, primer, and today I'm using the YSL Touche Eclat Glow Shot, and I'm just going to apply that mainly to three areas, which are my cheeks, chin and forehead. And using clean fingers, I'm just going to blend it out. Today I have the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation, and I'm going to be using my cute little Sapphire Beauty Blender to blend it out. I'd definitely say that this foundation is more like a medium to full coverage satin finish, and I just like to make sure that my beauty blender is extra damp when using a product like this to really get a natural look. You can definitely see a difference in the before and after, so I'm just going to keep going, applying that slowly, building it up little by little. With our foundation figured out, let's move on to brows. Today I'm using the Makeup Forever Brow Gel in the shade Clear. I really love the formula of this product. It's got some small fibers in there, which definitely helps give you that kind of natural fluffy brow look. And to take them to the next level, the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. For my eyeshadow today, I have the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is their brand new palette, and I'm going to start by taking the shade Weekender, followed by the shade Riff in the crease to add some depth, and finally the shade Hellride to add a touch of richness and a little bit of sass. Okay, so I admit I've slightly fallen out of love with winged liner a little bit, but today I'm going to use the Claudia Schiffer liquid eyeliner pen to go ahead and add a nice big wing. In some of the Reputation images that I saw, her eyeliner is definitely bigger than normal, so I kind of went hard today. And one thing I always like to do with winged liner is just apply a nice generous coating of pencil liner when it doesn't fall off to tightline. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Mascara, I'm going to generously coat my lashes before moving on to my false lashes, and today I have the House of Lashes Allura Light Lashes. For concealer today, I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and I think this is in the shade 1N, which is the lightest neutral shade. So I'm just going to apply that on the under eyes, forehead and a chin, and just once again using my damp beauty blender to blend it out. And to set my base, I'm using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Powder, and I really like this powder at the moment. I definitely think it's one to try. And to add a touch of that Tennessee glow, I'm going for the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Matte. And using a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to take that onto my forehead, cheeks and below my chin. For a hint of rosy glow, I'm using the Bare Minerals Pink Me Up Blush. And to add a touch of highlight, the Primark PS Instagirl Iridescent Highlighter. Finally, to bring the whole look together, I'm using the Buxom Plump Line Pencil in the shade Espionage. I just love how easy these are to apply, and oh my god, it just makes life so much easier. And there we go guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any other suggestions for celebrity inspired looks you'd love to see me do, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!